plumber no sabi, na big wahala o, because e go just dey give you wrong joints, low quality work wey be say before you know, your work don dey leak anyhow, you don dey see leakage, you don dey see blockage. See mansion no be just one time investment o. If you no check your tanks, your pipes, your away pit from time to time, wahala fit burst o. For you not to face all these problems for your house, just contact Renco Plumbing and Construction Limited now for your plumbing work for your house, because this company na the #1 plumbing company for Nigeria wey dey give you guarantee for any plumbing work at all. Just imagine, person wey no trust the work, e go fit give you warranty for where? So these people, dey serious for their work and they no dey use their work play. Wetin you dey wait for? Ring their number now, see their number for here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.